Dear student, welcome back to our NIEVS Home School. Hope you are safe and sound at home. This is Shiuly Saha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Home School Morning Shift. Dear student, today I am going to take your home science class for the student of class 6. Our today's topic is Assignment 2. Today I will discuss on this topic. So let's start our class. Class 6, Subject Home Science, Assignment 2. First, unit and title of the lesson. Chapter 4, Family and Child. That means this assignment is all about from chapter 4. This chapter's name is Family and Child. Next, lesson number and topics. Here are given some lessons from chapter 4 on which you have to prepare your assignment. Lesson 1 is about family and types of families. Lesson 2 is about characteristics of a child at various ages. Lesson 3 is about babyhood. Lesson 4 early childhood and lesson 5 middle childhood. Now come to the main topics. Assignment or assigned task. I hope you have already got your assignment topic. Childhood has been given different names based on the age of the child. Write the age range of childhood and their characteristics according to the name in the following table. This is a table. Childhood periods. First one is neonatal period, 2 babyhood, 3 early childhood, 4 middle childhood. Here is given age limit, and next row you will get features. And last question, will you teach children of all ages in the same way? Explain with logic. First, now I will show you how you will prepare your assignment. First, before making this table, you have to write something about child and childhood in 2 or 3 sentences. Then you have to make a table like this. You must make this table like this. You know, childhood periods. Childhood periods are divided into 4 groups. First one is neonatal period, 2 babyhood, 3 early childhood, and 4 middle childhood. Then you have to write here age limit. For example, neonatal period from birth up to 2 weeks is called neonatal period. That means you have to write here age limit. Like this, at the same way you have to write babyhood's age limit, early childhood's age limit, and middle childhood age limit. And now last row, features. You know, each child has a different features and characteristics. So you have to write here some features, at least 4 or 5 features. You can write here in a point, like first one is neonatal period. So you have to write here like this. You can give here row and age limit and features. And like here some features, at least 4 or 5. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. You can write in a sentence or point. Now, last question, will you teach children of all ages in the same way? Explain with logic. You know, childhood periods have different characteristics, and they bear different attitude and different mentality and different physical growth, and they are different from others. So you have to your answer will be no. You will teach children of all ages in the same way? No, you will not teach children of all ages in the same way because each children is different from others. So you have to explain with logic this question. Now I will show you how you will collect your information from your books. Look student, this is your home science textbook. You will collect your book from some information from your chapter 4, family and child, from this chapter. First, before preparing your assignment, you have to read this topic very carefully and attentively. Then you can gather some information from here, okay, and idea. Then after analyzing and thinking about it, you have to write your assignment. So, but don't copy from this book the whole things. You must have diversity in your presentation. So student, chapter lesson 2, characteristics of a child at various ages. Here are given some information. You can collect it, collect some information from here. And neonatal period. Then lesson 3, babyhood period, and lesson 4, early childhood, and last one is middle childhood. Dear student, you must show your individuality and creativity in your writing. Students' assignment should not be the same. So now next one, the instructions. This is not for you, it is applicable for the teachers. And now come to the another point, assessment criteria. You know, if you want to get excellent remarks, you should have these qualities, okay, in your presentation, and very good, and next one is need to progress. So student, now come to the last point, cover page. And student, this is my mobile number and name, and cover page. You will collect this cover page from our Facebook group. So in your cover page you have to write your assignment number, as our assignment number is 2, you have to write it, and topic name. Your topic name will be your chapter's name, that means family and child. And then you have to fill up the others information like your names, roll number, section, etc. So student, hope you have understood our today's topic. You have any you face any problem, you can contact me over phone or through messenger. Thank you all of you, and your submission date will be 17 June 2021.